Hey everyone, back again for another rust proofing. I'm doing the actual area by the fuel tank. Has some rust on it, right by it. Get it all cleaned up, show you tools that I use, and check out another episode. Yes everyone, I'm going to be talking about the Hyper Tough rotary tool. It comes with this little clear case. It has like a little wrench in there, a couple sanding wheels. Go ahead, open this up. You know, you just throw it this different shaft with this sanding wheel. These I don't really find work that well because it's always like the sanding is coming off. You know, like it keeps slipping off. So maybe it's just a trick to that. These little grinding discs work great. I find that be good if you need to grind on any piece of metal. I mean, there's like, you know, I probably used like 10 of them already. I still got another 10 because I've done the B pillar on another SLK. I've done, you know, pretty much, you know, the whole trunk, you know, as you've seen on the white one. And it comes with all these little grinding stones. And it looks like a sharpener. I believe it comes with an extra set of brushes. So whenever your brushes wear out, you can actually open this up and replace the brushes in the electric motor. So this thing is pretty tough, man. I'm actually surprised, you know, coming from, you know, old Wally World, you know. I mean, this thing was like 20 bucks and it's been working good. I mean, I put it on like the setting. You have like 10 different speed settings here. So I usually keep it, my one's wearing out, but I usually about to keep about 2 or 3, depending on how fast I want to go. And it jumps up. You know, probably I have to look up and see what the specs are on it. But looks like it does 35,000 revolutions per minute from 8 to 35. So this thing goes pretty fast. I mean, it's even got this little case that comes with it, so that's pretty cool, you know. So yeah, that's the Hyper Tough 1.5 amp rotary tool, 105 piece accessory kit, you know, as you can see here. And I find that, you know, this little wire brush is great if you want to clean any kind of rust. And these grinding discs right here, these little sanding discs, they're okay if you want to do something light, you know, and then you just change out your chuck here. So I mean, it's pretty cool, man. I mean, for what I've used it on a couple cars so far, and you know, just cutting up stuff. I mean, this thing's great. I mean, I was thinking that I was gonna have to use like a Dremel or something, but I was like, man, let me try this out, and it's been working good for what I need it for. So I'm gonna put a link in the bottom of this video. You know, you probably just buy it online. Heck, you know, if not, it's in Walmart. You know, pretty cool little tool. All right. Man, I found out this Rust-Oleum rust reformer works pretty good. I ended up going behind. I still gotta hit that one little spot, but I had like some pinholes of rust after I did the rust proofing down here. So I hit it with this stuff and works pretty good. I mean, so I just wanted to clean all this up back here too, to go ahead and get at least that looking better. I mean, nobody wants to see it, but you know, just so it doesn't keep on rusting anymore. Alright, I'm gonna hit it with some gun. That's good, man. So I got this fuel tank cover all primed up nice and neat. You know, it's got a little damage. I'm gonna leave that just for I don't know what you call that, story with the car for now. But it's looking good. Gotta just clean up this little stuff down here, vacuum it out.